Hi. Hi, I'm Anthony Verna, Managing Partner of Verna Law PC. We focus on intellectual property and advertising law. This past week, I had a phone call with the judge and the plaintiff in a case where I'm representing the defendant. Plaintiff has sued my client for copyright infringement. One little problem, though, with the plaintiff's case. The plaintiff does not have a copyright certificate from the Library of Congress. Well, of course, that's a bit of an issue. Recently, as a matter of fact, in March, the Supreme Court ruled that you must have a certificate from the Library of Congress before you start the infringement lawsuit. Now, this has been written in the statute since the Copyright Act has been passed, but a lot of lawyers started to do this little trick of filing the application for a copyright, showing that there's a number for the application and then filing a lawsuit. Some judges have accepted that, but the majority of courts have not. So we had this split where some judges said the application counts as a registration, and some cases where, of course, the application is just that, an application, and so that split was recently resolved by the Supreme Court. This isn't really an ideal situation for a plaintiff. If your copyright is being infringed, you need to have that copyright certificate for not just being able to walk into court, but also being able to claim extra damages, which we call statutory damages, which are made by the judge and really are punitive in nature, as well as for the ability to ask for attorney's fees. If infringement happens before a certificate is issued, the only thing a plaintiff can ask for is the actual damages of the infringement. So in other words, lost profits. So in order to actually get into court on a copyright infringement suit, you need to have that certificate. And in order to ask for damages that actually make a copyright infringement suit worthwhile, statutory damages and attorney's fees, you need that copyright certificate. So make sure that you're registering your copyrights before any of this becomes an issue. In other words, right after the finish of the creation of the work. Again, I'm Anthony Verna, Managing Partner of Verna Law. Thank you.